We have the curve equation y equals cos x sine 2x. We need to find the x coordinate of the stationary point in the first quadrant in radians 3SF. So stationary point means y prime equals 0, so we need to find the y prime. This is y. The y is a multiplication, u times v, so we have to use the product rule. This is the product rule. So if we simplify, this is actually u prime, this is actually v prime, so the formula is u prime v plus v prime u prime v plus v prime u. So if the u is cos x, the u prime is, using this formula, minus sine x, and if the v is sine 2x, using this formula, the v prime is cos 2x but times 2 because of the chain rule. So we have to multiply by the derivative of 2x. Now we have the y prime. We are solving this y prime equals 0. So here we have the angle 2x and x. We cannot do anything so far here, so we have to use the double angle formula in MF19. So for sine x, we have no other options. We have to use 2 sine x cos x here. For the cos x, actually we can use 3 possible forms here. So yeah, we can just use any of them actually here, but if you just look at what we get when we expand here, we're gonna get minus 2 sine squared cos, and here we already have cos, so if we use cos squared minus sine squared, after we simplify, we have 2 cos cubed minus 2 sine squared cos. We can simplify because this is actually we can pull out the cos here. Okay, so if we pull out the cos, we still have, from here we still have this is exactly the same as this. We can simplify. Okay, so that's why we use cos squared minus sine squared, because we want to simplify this and this. But actually it will work also if you use the other forms. Just try. So after simplifying, minus 2 we get minus 4. We pull out the cos, we still have minus 4 sine squared, we still have 2 cos squared, and now we are solving cos x equals 0, which means the x is inverse cos 0, which is pi over 2. This is rejected because pi over 2 is not in the domain. And from here we can subtract 2 cos squared from both sides, divide both sides by minus 4, also divide both sides by cos squared. We get sine squared over cos squared. Sine over cos is tangent, so sine squared over cos squared is tangent squared. We take the square root of both sides. We have actually plus minus 1/2 root 1/2. So we use inverse tangent and we get this. And notice that we ignore the minus square root because we need the x value in the first quadrant. So the final answer in 3 significant figures is 0.615. Alright, I'll see you again next.